Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your continued support. I'm Vijoh, or Chef Vijoh. Today we are going to make milkshake. This will save your cost. Like milkshake goes for around 350, but here we'll use milk for 50 shillings. Vanilla, strawberry, it depends on your flavor. It goes for 85, and maybe bananas for 20 shillings. You'll see here you'll save the amount of money that you're going to use, because this one you're going to share with your parents and your siblings, compared to the other one is costly and it's a small amount. Now we're going to start preparing our fruits. That is banana. We also have sweet bananas. You know, sweet bananas are very tasty, so they make our milkshake to be so sweet. Some people prefer using sugar, but the bananas will compensate that the sugar that is used, and it's also healthy compared to sugar. I'm almost through. So I'm through with peeling my bananas. So now I'm going to cut them in small pieces so that they may be blended easily. By the way, the milk is boiled, then you let it cool for a while. So I'll take my blender and add the bananas to the blender. I'm through. So to the bananas, I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. It's boiled, by the way. I'm going to add all of it. And add my flavor. This is vanilla strawberry, but it depends on what you like. Like there is chocolate. I'm going to add 3 spoons. Then I'm going to blend it. I think the blending is through. You make sure you blend it until the bananas are so tiny. Guys, the vanilla is so, the milkshake for vanilla and strawberry is so sweet, even more than that of Garden City. You should try it, it's so sweet. It's yummy. Thank you for watching me. Subscribe and share with your friends. Make sure they learn how to make this. They're using a lot of money. Make sure they learn how to make the milkshake. And thank you guys. See you next time.